This is a QR. If you don't have it, now is the time to download. Pause the video, grab it, take your phone, grab the app, download. Depending on your connection and speed, it'll open up pretty fast. You don't need the instructions right now. Open up the application, register, put a nickname in, sign in. If you're having trouble after you're signing in, log in, hit the X. That'll get you into the actual site. Let me log in to that page and continue on. I hit the login. No matter how many times I hit it, I won't log in. I hit the X, I'm logged in. When you hit the second button, Radclo FPV would like to access your camera. Yes. Your microphone. Yes. And then your photos. Select photos. I said select all. These are all the icons. You may go over them yourself. If you turn the unit on, those are the controls. We're going to now take the phone, close the app down by swiping up. You're going to be in your wireless connection area. In your My Networks, going into your top line will be Radclo FPV. Turn your transmitter on, turn your drone on. You could pair your drone if you like. You could calibrate your drone. Put this to the side. The next recycle will be Radclo FPV. You're going to click it. It's going to join with a check mark. Unsecured network. No internet connection. You can do a close app and open up your Radclo app as a shortcut, or go into the Radclo FPV app. And you're going to see Radclo FPV. Would you like to find and connect to device of your local network? And click OK. You are now connected.